All right, what's going on YouTube? I have an unboxing today. Only thing I took out was the packing slip. We have Hunt Series Benchmade. I'm sure you can guess what it is. It's a custom shop order. And it is a Mini Crooked River. I haven't seen it yet, so. My buddy gave me this a long time ago. It's perfect for opening packages. I'm excited about this one. I made my dad a mini griptilian, and I decided to make myself one of these also. Here we go. Oh yeah. Gray G10, blue backspacer, mini satin clip, blue bolster, black bolsters, blue pivot collars. Let's see the action here. Oh man, I love the ergos. I had no idea. That's perfect. Oh, she's a bit stiff, but that's okay. I'm gonna have a little closer look while you guys do also. I did do a couple of things for the blade. Put an octopus on that side and put a bee on that side. The grind is pretty even on both sides. I've heard some stories about the grinds on some of the custom shop orders. Centering's nice, and I love that blue backspacer pop. That's great. All right. What do I have in my pocket? Okay, I can do one size comparison real quick. It's very similar. It's going to carry a lot slimmer than the PM2 for sure. That'll loosen up just fine over time. Oh, and I know a lot of y'all like watches. This is my Sinn 556A red secondhand on my DeLuca blue strap. I got a bunch of these straps, a bunch of different colors. See if you can get that look there. Nice German tool watch, automatic. I like blue, y'all. As you can tell, you will see a lot more blue stuff in my videos. Let's see how sharp it is real quick. It's a little thicker, but I'm sure it'll work just fine. Yeah, it's a thicker envelope. I dig it. I dig it a lot. Let's have one more look close up here. All right, I think that's it. It's pretty quick. S90V Mini Crooked River from Benchmade's custom shop. Follow me on Instagram, Jakes_cool stuff. I like that it's not satin. It's kind of a little bit light stone-washed bead blast. Pretty cool. Later, y'all. Have a good day.